and welcome to Siem Reap, the final stop on our short trip through Cambodia.
For those of you who don't already know, this place is very famous for being the gateway to somewhere particularly special. The ancient city of Angkor. So right behind us is Angkor Wat, Cambodia's most famous tourist attraction.
And the dish we're tasting today is the country's most famous culinary export.
Amok is its name.
And as usual, we found a vegan version to share with you.
That was weird.
Did you feel that too?
So right behind us here is one of the best places in the entirety of Cambodia to pick up some souvenirs.
In our opinion, there's no greater souvenir than the taste of a country's national dish.
Not this again, Kyra, come on.
Shush. Usually made with fish, Amok is a savoury coconut curry style dish.
It's supposedly full of flavour, but not too spicy, making it perfect for the palate of the average Westerner.
Let's go find out if we're average or not.
So we're headed to Banlle Vegetarian Restaurant, which provides food for all kinds of meat-free diets.
In their Amok, the fish is substituted for vegetables, but they're really keen on making sure those traditional flavours aren't lost.
Some of the most exciting ones though, I've heard, are served on a banana leaf or inside a coconut. So I'm kind of excited to see what they're going to do.
It's just going to be a plate now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just going to be a plate. First things first, I'm a little disappointed it hasn't come in a banana leaf or a coconut, but I'll allow. This is a fancy place. It looks incredible. Look at them peanuts on top. Don't even know where to begin. Let's have a taste. It's going to be really hot, I bet. Yeah, really hot. Let's just go for it. Got like that coconut curry kind of classic flavour. Looks like a green curry, but it tastes more like a yellow curry. If you're familiar with your Thai style curries. Yeah, big fan.
Yeah, I really like that sauce. It's not too spicy. It's got a really nice, almost citrusy kick to it with the coconut. Really good. Anyway, it's time to eat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So we've just left the restaurant and it was a really beautiful, serene place. There was ponds, there was trees, there was green everywhere, and it was really lovely.
I've got a very happy tummy after that. It was lovely. It was a really nice, light lunch dish packed full of vegetables. Really happy.
But the portion was big though. Like we found that probably one of them could have done both of us.
Yeah.
So maybe take that into account if you are heading that way. I was going to draw some parallels actually, because I've already had one when we were in Phnom Penh, and the one there was different in consistency. It was much thicker, kind of like how we were describing it at the beginning. This one was much thinner, more watery, but I would say I actually preferred the flavour of this. Now I don't know which one is more authentic. Like the flavours in this were exactly how we'd have described them when reading them off the internet, but the texture of the one in Phnom Penh was probably a little bit more accurate to that. So I'll just show you a few videos if you want to quickly see the look of the other one. That was at a place called Elements.
Yeah.
So if you want to check one out there and do your own comparison, go for it.
So yeah, in the meantime,
well, before you say that, actually, I just want to make sure we say that this might be one of the greenest dishes we've ever eaten.
oh yeah,
I mean, it's that or lamb.
All lamb
was
very
pretty green. But yeah,
Yes.
anyway, go ahead, Kyra.
Yeah, so we will see you again very soon, and in the meantime, remember,
Eat your greens.